Good morning, traders. It's Chris here. This is your early morning briefing from the tradingmentors.com. Hope you are well. It is the 5th of December. It is 6:36 in the morning here in the UK. And just popping in to see, it's probably just as easy for me to do a video than to send charts. So we've got a sell signal on gold, expecting it to go down to 2015, which is the previous low. And we can confirm that by the lower time frame as well. Everything red, so a sell-off. But I'm going to go into this a little bit detail because this is a really important area. Let me show you this chart, which is the Advanced Plus chart. And as we can see, the trend line is up despite yesterday's fall, and it's now into the strong buy zone as we speak and oversold. So there could be within the next few hours, as it reaches the previous low, a bounce. So look out for that in the next few hours, just to clarify that. Remember to work off parabolic trends. Parabolic trends are the ones to monitor, and in particular we use correlation as well. So the yen futures is our correlation for the yen pairs. So whilst there is strength in the yen futures, in the yen, then of course this is going to drive the yen pairs down. Pound yen, euro yen, New Zealand yen, Swiss yen, all going down. The parabolic ones are euro dollar and pound dollar. Okay, so I'll cover those in the next few minutes. It's a very quick briefing. If you want the full analysis, you need to be a member, and I'll do that in the New York session. So further upside momentum is likely on the yen in the next few hours. So downside for the pound yen, downside for the euro yen in the next few hours. So one thing that's not parabolic is the DXY. So whilst the DXY is mixed and no clarity, then the US dollar will be mixed. So no further trades on the US dollar. So what's happened here with the pound yen? This is retested this moving average here, and it's on a slippery slope downwards. And we've got a sell signal overbought in a downtrend, and expect further downside down to 84.50, somewhere like that. Down here, it is the maximum you're going to get out of it, because there could be a bounce on this strong low. Okay, so look out for that. Euro yen is to the downside. We've gone short on this, and again I've just sent a signal. If you're in the Forex signal room, this is coming down to around 157.90 if I remember rightly. So further downslide is likely driven by the fact that the yen futures are going up. So that's the correlation, and that's the parabolic trend working together. So this is the Swiss franc futures, which is parabolic to the upside. Blue indicates that, and the correlation therefore is that the Swiss franc futures goes up and the Swiss pairs goes down. Aussie Swiss down, Euro Swiss down. So we can look at the Euro Swiss and see it sliding down, and the pound Swiss, not that one, pound Swiss there is on a slippery slope downwards, but no pullbacks as yet. So we're looking for pullbacks on any of the Swiss francs, which will give us a great opportunity in the next few hours. So look out for the yens. The yens are the favorite this week so far. Euro yen to the downside, pound yen to the downside, Aussie yen to the downside. Yes, to the downside, but no pullback. Remember, we're looking for swing highs and swing lows, and this is exactly what we're looking for here and here. Have a wonderful morning, and I'll speak to you this afternoon.